This video is to help with the chorus for Three Little Birds. What a fun, relaxing song, perfect for the times. Okay, here's the metronome at 60 beats per minute. And this song does something that the other ones have not done, which is you're playing off the beat. So when you hear the steady beat here, I'm going to be playing in between those beats like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So it's the and of the beat, not right on the beat, not like this. In between. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's typical of reggae. It gives it that nice laid back feel. So I'll count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Don't worry. And we'll start there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. That's gonna feel a little awkward at first to get used to the off the beat thing. You could play on the beat. Don't worry about a thing. See, I'm just doing 2 strums per for every 1 strum, I guess. So don't worry. See, that feels weird to strum on the beat with this song. 2 and 3. But we can talk more about that in lesson. Let's bump this up to 72 beats per minute and see how that feels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Oh, sorry, I missed my entrance. 1 and 2 and 3. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. That's a little snappy. I don't think it's actually that fast. I think the actual beat of the song, tempo of the song falls somewhere between 60 and 70 beats per minute. See, does it have it on here? 76 beats per minute. How could that be? Okay, so snappier than I even thought. That's what it says on the paper here. You'll see when I give you that printout. But okay, have fun with it and hit me with any questions. And that's it. Thank you.